Make $25 in seconds editing photos using free software. That's what we'll be taking a look at today, folks. I'm going to show you proof of people willing to pay for this service. I'm going to show you how to do it for free. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you even how to make more money, so stick around for that. Also, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Hit the like button if you feel free to. Please subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog. If this method's not for you, check out some of my other hundreds of other videos from making money online. And remember to take action on any of this stuff. For any of this stuff to work, you gotta take action. You gotta put the effort in it and do it. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. So let's get into this. So the first website you're gonna wanna come to is makeup.fo.to. And basically here, you're gonna be retouching photos. Now it's very simple. I'm gonna show you right now. All you gotta do, there's before and after pictures of these ones here. And you're just gonna put enhance photo. You can upload from your computer. I just did this one here, recent uploads. Let's just pick this one. So instantly, so here's the original. And here's the touched up one. It did it automatically for me. And you could make fine adjustments and stuff like that if you want to. You could do color enhancement, but everything was automatically done for me just like that. And then I just share and download, get link, whatever you want to do. So you're probably thinking, big deal, whatever. But if you go to fiverr.com and do photo retouching and do a search, all these gigs are going to pop up. And what you're going to do is create a gig for yourself. And you're going to start doing it. Basically, let's see here. That photo I took from one of these ones actually. It was this one here. I just copied this photo and I retouched it and made it look like this photo. And this person's charging $5 for one image. That's the standard package. That's the basic package. $10 for retouching 2 images, high-end JPEGs. 4 images, $20. And this literally takes seconds, and people are willing to pay for this, obviously. You know, 223 reviews, 5-star. That's a lot of images edited for this particular gig. And there's, you know, many other ones. So, you know, you might think, well, why would people do this? Why would they just go to the websites themselves? You know, there's a lot of reasons. They don't have time, they don't know about the sites, they don't know how to use them. You know, it's, you know, people just want to, you know, they have photos and they say, okay, here's a batch of photos I want you to retouch real quick, and they just do it. So obviously this can make you some really cool money, side gig. There's another one here, retouching photos. Again, $5 standard, $10, $25 on this one. You know, a bunch of different orders, reviews here like that. So pretty cool. Very, very simple job to do. Very simple task. Just set up your Fiverr profile, use that program, and you're good to go. Another one here is removing photo backgrounds. Let's see here. Remove image, background from image, remove image from photo, whatever you want to call it. Same thing. Here's an example of this one. 2 images, $5. Standard package, $10 for 6 images. Premium package, $20, 10 images. And all you're going to do for this one is you don't need Photoshop or any special software or anything like that. You're just going to come here to this website, remove.bg, and you can do the same thing. You're going to select the photo. Let's just select the photo here real quick. I used the same one from the previous one before I retouched it, and bam, look at that. Background is removed. You download the photo and you're good to go. Now this one does, I think that they give you smaller images. So for this one, for the free ones, you get smaller images, but you're going to want to, there's a pricing plan to get the bigger images for this one, but you can do it for free as well. But if you pay more money for the premium service, you get better results. And if you're going to be doing it professionally, you know, I would probably recommend getting the professional one. But you can start off with doing the retouching, and then you build up a profile on, you know, reputation on Fiverr. And then you can start adding this into the mix if you don't want to spend any money. But they're both free services, you know, so pretty cool. You know, you're probably not going to get rich doing this, and that's why I said stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to show you another way to make lots of really good money. It's my #1 recommendation for making money online. You can actually get a free membership, the top link in the video description below. There's going to be there. You're going to get free websites, free training, all kind of really cool stuff, and I'll show you a little bit of that now. So this is a look inside Wealthy Affiliate, and we're just going to scroll down here to some of the success stories of the day. Success is happening. I got my first Amazon check yesterday for over $1,000. Oh my God, just earned $69 in commission. Didn't realize how I almost missed out on $37,000. Damn. Cyber Monday, 559 orders. First $100 day. So these are people making some serious money in here. Just sold 2 sites for $9,000. Woke up to $168 commission. 8 posts, 1 month of work. First $200 commission. All kind of stuff here. And this is a big platform of very helpful people. All you gotta do is click on the top of the link in the video description below. You're gonna come up to a website that looks like so. This is a platform designed for all affiliate marketers of all levels. This is something that you're for affiliate marketing. You just put your email address in. You don't need a credit card or anything to sign up. You're good to go. You get a free membership. It's just that simple. Transform your ideas into profits. Build beautiful websites that drive traffic. Proven strategies to attract lots of traffic. And basically they're going to show you everything to do here. And it's a really cool system. It's what I recommend. And it's building your business from the ground up. It's going to take more time than editing photos and stuff, obviously. But if you really want to get into making money online as a full-time income, even going to start out part-time, whenever, make some money, whatever you want to do. It's a really cool system. It's what I use. It's what thousands of other people use. There's thousands of people in here to help each other out as well. It's a really cool platform, so check it out. It's my #1 recommendation for making money online, and you get a free account, so there's no risk involved. Anyways, that is all for now. I will talk to you soon. Later.